Jay's world. Welcome to Jay's world. Welcome to Jay's world.
That girl, Shake Shake, Don't Know You, and the latest mix chart top rating, Can't Get Enough, from his album, or from his platinum debut album, Ready or Not, under Polyist Records. He had performed on Mixmo for 2 consecutive years on SM Mall of Asia Classic Grounds, and appears regularly with the group A-Pop on ABS-CBN Sunday noontime show, ASAP Rocks. He is also a French tourist teammate on ABS-CBN's Hangout ng Kabataang Pinoy, Shout Out. Ladies and gentlemen, the newest hip-hop R&B marvel, our very own Ilonggo artist, Young JV.
Are you ready for the hottest hip-hop and R&B artists in the Philippines? Make some noise! You're gonna play it tonight, you know what I'm saying, right? You guys have it all the way, Young JV. You know how it is. Yo, Jay, you ready to do the girl? You know I know how to make you stop this day.
Guys, Ilonggo ko pala nila, di ba? Are you guys ready for ASAP Rocks? Let's go! Wait, medyo nag-counter difficulties. Anyway, thank you guys for coming out. Okay, there's si Young JV, and for all the girls, palangga tahawatanan. Are we good? Alright, sorry, medyo nag-counter difficulties for me. Wait lang, sino ang mga Young JV fans here? A-pop fans! Anong kamamakad to sa ASAP? Alright. Anyway, gusto ko mag-crowd check for everybody here. Pag hawak ko J, you say V, J! J! Yeah, man! One minute daw. Quick story lang. Medyo I'm kinda sick, medyo may sipon ko, pero it's okay. I had to go here because sobrang hugid ka palang kaawat na matagililo. And I wanna promote, shout out, every day, may bago na kami na team, parang reality show na siya after Sabel. So please guys, supportan niyo na, and also ASAP Rocks. Alright? Are you good, D?
Young JV, let me break it down every time I come around.